I purchased this at Walmart for like, I don't know, 14 bucks. It's got a little GoPro thing on it. We're gonna open it up and try it out. See how she works. All right, here we go. Very simple. Comes right out. It's got some information, but we don't need that. And if you've done any diving, you're good. It's got a caution thing here. So we'll have to cut that off. But bam, that's it right there. We gotta pull these things off. And you can put your GoPro right up here. So you're basically filming as wherever you go. You're just pointing it forward. And you can dive and just look. And that's, we're gonna try these out and see how they work. I think they're good. You can change the setting here by squeezing it and pulling it through. And then you can make it longer or shorter depending on what you want to do. You see how this loop, if you want to make it shorter, you got to pull this end. If you want to make it longer, you got to pull this end. Okay, and you got to cut this off. And then we got to pull these things off too. Right there. See that? Got to get it. Bam, done. Put it over there. This one here. Bam, done. And then I just got to get this off. I got to get a pair of scissors, or maybe I can just rip it off. There we go. That's done. Now I can show you how to change this. So for my head, if I put it on, actually, that's almost perfect. I really don't have to change anything, but if I wanted to, I could pull it a little tighter, like that. On both sides, you just gotta pull it, and then you gotta fix this little loop here, like by pulling here. Straighten it out a little bit. This one, the same thing. See if I can find it here. And that's it. That's pretty tight. I think that's gonna work. And then we gotta put up our camera on. That's it. Bam, done. I've got it pretty tight, so I'm gonna loosen it just a little bit. To loosen it, what you have to do is squeeze these two and just pull this side like that. And it loosens it. Same thing on this side, squeeze it, and then pull this side. Now it's a little bit loose. Let me try it again. I think I like it a little bit looser. I don't want it squishing. I may have to just a little bit tighter. Oh, that's perfect. When you press it, it should make a seal. See that? And that's a pretty good seal. All right, excellent. We're gonna try this out and see how it works. All right, so first we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put the GoPro on. And the GoPro has these little things on the bottom, just like that, bam. And you slide them inside of here. And you wanna make sure that the camera's facing forward. Of course, it doesn't wanna go in there. Oh, there we go. See it? And you gotta get it in there. Now, supposedly they made this for the GoPro. So I'm hoping that we've got it in there good. Yep, there we go. Now we gotta take our little screw deal, smush it through there. And you kind of work it in. And then you might wanna just tighten her down like that. And then you can shift this. And you wanna kind of have it, I like to have it pointing more on an angle like this, because that's my visual. But it's up to you. You're gonna have to try it out and see which way you like the best. I'm gonna go make that the tightening. And now we're ready to rock. We're ready to go with the GoPro. All right, so I've got to turn this on. To turn it on, I'm gonna come to the side. I'm gonna hold this. And it should come on, okay? And I've got it on standard 4K. So I'm shooting the 4K. And to get it started, all I gotta do is press this button up here and it will start. Okay, we're good. So I'm in, I'm gonna go to video and we're ready to go on that. So that is ready and this is ready. And so all I've gotta do now on here is hit this and we're recording. Let's go get her on my face. All right, so anyway, I don't know if you can see me or not, but I'm ready to go. Got everything going. All I gotta do is go in the water and shoot it. The water is cold, and now we're underwater. just shooting this. Oh my God, it's freezing. Here we go. Woo! That gets the fog out of it. I'm gonna have to give this mask 5 stars because it works awesome with this GoPro Hero 10 Black. I mean, wherever you look, you're gonna get that on the video. And I went all around the pool using that new case that I got for my iPhone, and it worked perfect. Right where I looked, it videotaped it. So, you know, you just got to make sure you get the right angle on it. I think you guys would be very happy with this body glove GoPro mask. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I test out stuff like this. Peace out.